Stacking up today, trader Todd Horwitz joins me now to talk about his hot stock plays and what he's not playing today. Hello to you.
Good morning. What's up?
What do you think about the market?
I think the market's quiet. I think we're, basically waiting for Janet Yellen. I mean, I think, it's amazing that we've come to the Janet Yellen show, and now we're waiting for next week in the FOMC minutes, or not minutes, but the actual meeting and what they're going to do. So I think it's going to be very quiet. We see it's very thin, which the markets will continue probably to creep higher and probably test the new highs.
Definitely. She likes to keep us hanging in suspense, at Janet Yellen. One of the sectors, though, that has been moving higher, that's been beaten down, stocks like potash. Some of these ag companies are starting to get a boost here. There was some call buying, I know, in potash the other day. And what do you think about that sector?
I love the sector. As you know, on this show we talked about the grains, which is directly related to potash, the fertilizer company, and I think that you want to be an owner of these. These are long terms. They pay great dividends. I mean, that area, Mosaic, Potash, we saw what's going on with Monsanto. They're in the middle with Bayer, and then Agrium. I mean, that whole sector is to me, is now starting. They're now talking about the grain is a bull market now. From despair to bull market now. We've had a dramatic run, but those are the spaces I think you want to look at, and those are where value comes from.
So you would buy into that sector even as it's starting to creep higher. Are we getting in on the lower end of the range then?
I think in as far as the potash and the stocks like that, they are still significant in the lower end. The grain rally itself was very dramatic and very quick. I mean, we've gone up about 30% in 4 weeks. So it's really hard. Again, commodities tend to be a little bit more active. So I think that potash, you're getting in at a great level. I think as long as you think there's going to be a need for food and other things like that, you're going to have an opportunity to buy, and you're going to have a company that's going to be solid.
Anything else you would buy right now, or anything you would sell right now?
Well, I'm looking at the airlines. I think the airlines are probably a reasonable value. I think American, down at 31 is probably a good level. I think if United can get back over 45, it's been hovering around 45 for the last 3 weeks, that would be okay. And I'm really looking to sell. I'm waiting for a shot to sell Amazon. Great company, but I think that it's significantly overdone here. I think it's being more driven on the excitement, and I think once the excitement dies down, I think we will see some selling pressure.
Thank you so much.
Nice to be here.